Good morning, Vaishnavi. Good evening, Vaishnavi.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shita. Guys, you are able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Today we will do completely the practice of this pair of linear equation. Monday we will start the quadratic equations. Is it fine? Shall we start the numericals? Meanwhile, rest of the people will join slowly. It's complete practice. I will give some time. If anybody is not getting, somebody can take initiative or I will explain. If my procedure is different, I will explain the second procedure also. Yeah. So I think we done how many? Anyone having any idea? Amrita, Pooja, anyone? Sanyu? In this sheet, what are the sheet I am showing on the screen? First one we done,
Sir,
second one.
we did one first question, second question, third question, and 10th question, sir.
So we'll see the fourth and five. I'm pasting on the screen. If anybody meanwhile rest of the people will join. Please try this question. So today's session is completely your interactive session. You have to sit and practice and
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
yeah, please.
Sir, actually in my school, sir, they gave one question, sir. I didn't understand it, sir.
Can you send the question?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll post in the chat box, sir.
You can post in the chat box. Meanwhile, rest of the people will start doing this question. Start doing the fourth question. Sent man, your question, your doubt, you shared the doubt.
Sir, I sent, sir.
X minus 2.
Sorry. Durlo, this is your question.
Yes, sir.
So instead of saying persons, take A is a basket, B is a basket. Okay. Got it? What I'm saying,
Yes, sir.
guys? Okay. I already gave the fourth question now. We'll wait for that, and after that we'll go. Okay. Yes. Minute. We'll wait for
I
the solution.
completed 4 questions, sir.
Who done?
Vaishnavi.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you give the answers for that?
Yes, sir. Sir, the age of A will be 50 years and B will be 20 years.
Age of A will, that is the present age. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That is only he's asking what is the percentages of A and B. These are the your variables. Present age of A is equal to X, B is equal to Y, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? A is equal to
50 years and B equal to 20 years.
50.
Yes, sir.
This is 20, correct?
Yes, sir.
Let's see, everyone got the same answer. Guys, waiting for the reply from everyone. It's the right answer. Yes, see. What are the equations you got, madam?
X minus 2y equal to 10 and X minus 3y equal to minus 10.
X minus 2y is equals
10.
10.
10.
Yeah. Next one.
X minus 3y equal to minus 10.
Minus.
Yes, sir.
We go to the next question. This is a doubt from one student. Durlov, A and B having, suppose if I am taking A is one basket, find the number of oranges in A and B. B is another basket. And let's assume the A is having X number of oranges, the B is also having Y number of oranges. Is it clear? Durlov, what I am saying? From the question only, I am doing everything. I'm not
Yes,
taking.
sir.
So what he said next? What he said? What is the next condition? Read the question. After that, what he is doing?
Sir, it says if you give me 10 of A says to B, if you give me 10 of your oranges, I'll have twice the number of oranges left with.
Suppose if you transfer 10 oranges from B to A, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the number of oranges in A?
X plus 10, sir.
Equal.
Sir, X plus 10 is equal to 2 into Y minus 10, sir. Sir, I know how to solve the first equation, sir, but second equation, I don't know how to frame, sir. I didn't get that, sir.
X plus 10 will be equal to
2Y minus 20, sir.
2 times of Y minus 10. This is
Yes,
my,
sir.
What is the second equation? Second one. B replies, if you give me 10 of your oranges, I will have the same number of oranges as left with you. That means if I am transferring 10 oranges, that is x minus 10, A, B is having y plus 10. How many oranges he is saying? X minus 10 will be equal to y plus 10. Understood the second equation, what it is?
Yes, sir.
Solve, this will come, how you will get x minus y is equal to 20 is my second equation. Here x plus 10, 2y minus 20, see here x minus 2y is equal to minus 30 is the first equation. So using these two equations, you have to solve and let me know. Guys, please solve these two equations. Will you agree with me, everyone? This is the equations of system of equations for this situation.
Yes, sir.
So solve these two situations, solve these equations and let me know what is the answer.
So y equal to 50.
So y is equals, I am subtracting 0 minus y of minus 2y plus 2y. So minus y plus 2y is plus y, 20 plus 30. Y is equal to 50, correct? X minus 50, x is equal to 70.
Yes, sir. Y is 50 and X is 70.
Yeah, if you transfer from y to x 10, you will get 80 and 40. Yes, 80 is 2 times of 40. If you transfer 10 from x to this, both will be 60, 60. Then it is right answer. Please do the fifth question, guys. Are you clear? Dhruv, Darlo, you
Yes,
clear
sir. Yes, sir. I understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nasre? Sorry, guys. May I know the variables of the first equation is what? Anyone? Variables of the question number 5. Who is going to give? Aditi? Harita? Anyone? Abdul. In a 2-digit number, the unit digit is twice the 10 digits, 10th digit. So there is a 2-digit number. I already told you if it is a 2-digit number, how to assume this 2-digit number? Let assume, see that a digit is combination of two things. Suppose if it is 17, 1 into 10 plus 7. If it is a 27, 2 into 10 plus 7. If it is 47, 4 into 10 plus 7. So any 2-digit number can be written as 10x plus y. 10x plus y is my 2-digit number. 10x plus y is my 2-digit number. Don't mention 2-digit number is a, b is 2-digit number. This is completely messed. X also you can't be write as 2-digit number. When they are talking about the each and every digit having some relation. The unit digit is twice the 10th digit. So this is unit digit. Y is unit digit. Let us assume unit digit is y, 10th digit is x. So he is saying unit digit is twice the 10th digits. So y is equal to 2x is my first equation. If 27 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places, find the number. Suppose if I am adding number plus 27, that is, what is the number I taken as 10x plus y plus 27? I will get, in place of x, I will get y, in place of y, I will get x. Right. Students, you understood how the equations I generated here? Anyone having any doubt of how to generate the equations from this question?
No, sir, I got the same equation, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, is the final answer x equal to minus 2 by 9 and y equal to 0?
Final answer, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6. The number is 36.
Okay, sir.
Fifth question only we are talking now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The
Yes,
number
sir.
is 36. That is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6. See here. Y is equal to 2
I will
times.
check my calculations, sir.
Yeah. Y is equal to 2x. If I am adding 36 plus 27, how much you are getting? 36 plus 27 is how much?
63, sir.
63. So, see here, if I am adding 27 to the digits are interchanging. So, these are the two equations we have to use. Guys, everyone are comfortable with my explanation? Everyone, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please try and let me know if you are having any doubts. Guys, shall I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
So before going to the next question from this sheet, I am going to give one more question instead of sharing Now I don't have much time to copy. I will share the worksheet. I'm having this kind of numericals, 56 numericals I'm having. I will share this worksheet later. I will write one question related to upstream and downstream. Okay. A boat goes 12 kilometers upstream and 40 kilometers downstream in 8 hours. In 8 hours. It can go it can go 16 kilometers upstream and 32 kilometers downstream in the same time. That means the time taken to go 16 kilometers upstream, the time taken to go 32 kilometers downstream is the same time. Find the speed of the boat in still water. And the speed of the stream. Speed of the stream, current, speed of the water. All are same. All represents velocity, speed of the flow. Hope you understand the question. Read the question. This question they asked in 1999, common paper. Throughout India, this question came in all paper. Please just try the question. Try to understand, make the formulas, make the equations. Once you know how to frame the equation, then it is easy. Right. Philip? Muslim? Sound వచ్చిందంటే దగ్గర పడతాయి. Anyone can frame the equation. Let me know what is the equations you will get. What kind of logic you have to use here, please. Guys, anyone got equations? Madam, anyone? Rita, Janavi, Pooja, Arman, Akshita, Vaishnavi. Any response, guys?
Sir, the first equation I got is 12a plus 40b is equal to 8, sir.
How you got the 2a plus 40b? What is
Sir,
your assumptions? What is your assumption? Tell me.
Sir, the speed of the still water is x and speed of the stream is y, sir.
So speed of the
Still water is x.
you can't say speed of the still water. Speed of the boat. You are saying still water speed. How it is possible, madam? It's wrong, no? Still water means what? Water is at rest. How you can say speed of the still water? Speed of the
Yes, sir.
in still water. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That is what you are trying to say. That is
Adana follow
x kilometer per hour. Correct? I think this is what you are trying to say. Am I right? Speed of the water or speed of the stream. That is equal to y kilometer per hour. Is the same kind of notation you taken?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is saying? This is a river, and if the boat is traveling upstream, how many kilometers? 12 kilometer. After that, he returned 40 kilometers. It took 8 hours. In second case, with the same speeds, he traveled upstream 16 kilometers and he returned 32 kilometers. It took 8 hours. So the total time for the upstream plus total time for the downstream, so is equal to 8 hours in both the cases. So what is the time formula? What is the time formula? Distance by time is velocity speed, so distance by speed. So distance by speed. How much distance it travel? So for that, guys, just a minute. Call from school. I can't hold. Please.
Sir, are you speaking?
Yeah, guys, you understood how I created the equations? Anyone? Harita, you done the same method? Akshita, Arman,
Yes,
Jahan?
sir.
Sir, I have
Sir,
done
can you
it.
explain once more, sir?
Yeah. See here, I'm writing in next space. In first case, the boat was traveled in this direction 12 kilometers, and again it traveled in downstream 40 kilometers, correct? According to question. It took 8 hours for the total travel. Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir, so if the boat is traveling upstream, what is its net velocity? The water is trying to push in this direction, the boat is trying to push in this direction, so net velocity is x minus y. If the water is flowing in this direction, this is water direction, this is boat direction. The water is flowing in the direction and boat is also flowing in the same direction, the net velocity of the boat is x plus y. So speed of the boat in upstream is x minus y kilometer per hour. Speed of the boat in downstream is equal to x plus y kilometer per hour. Is it clear how I got speed of the boat upstream and downstream, and speed of the boat in still water is different? Are you clear with these equations?
Yes, sir.
In first case, how many kilometers it traveled in upstream and how many kilometers it traveled in downstream? Total time traveled 8 hours. In case one, upstream time plus downstream time is equal to 8 hours. So time, upstream time is distance by velocity. What is the distance traveled in first case? 12 kilometer upstream, 40 kilometer downstream, correct? 12 by its speed is x minus y plus 40 by the speed traveled in downstream is x plus y is equal to 8 hours. This is my first equation. Sir, Durlav, got it? How I got the first equation? I am using the
Yes,
form.
sir, I got it, sir.
So this is the distance, this is the speed, and this whole fraction will use the time in upstream, this whole fraction will use the time in downstream. This is the total time. It's kind of a round trip, not exactly round trip. He's going in one direction, again he is coming back in the same direction, some other distance. So in second case, how he is traveling? It's the same speeds. In upstream, he traveled 16 kilometer and downstream he traveled 32 kilometers. Here also he took 8 hours. Here he traveled 48 kilometers. In the beginning, he traveled 52 kilometers. Total distance. In this case, 16 by x minus y plus 32 by x plus y is equal to 8. Because he took the same time for the second case also. That is what the question says, correct? The question
Yes, sir.
says 16 kilometer upstream, 32 kilometer downstream in the same time. So he also took 8 hours for the second case also. Now, I am assuming this is not a standard linear equation, correct? So I am assuming x minus y is equal to a, y minus by x minus y is x plus y is equal to b. So my equations are 12a plus 40b is equal to 8. 16a plus 32b is equal to 8. So how to solve this equation?
Sir, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2, sir.
X is equal to 6 km per hour. Y is equal to 2 km per hour. Let's write. Correct, madam?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Speed of the boat is 6 km per hour. Speed of the water is 2 km per hour. Please solve these equations. Let me know what is a value you got, madam. You got the same equations or different equations? Any other methods? Anyone?
Same
Come?
equation, sir.
So what is the a value you got?
1 by 4, sir.
A is equal to 1 by 4. B value?
1 by 8, sir.
1 by 8. From here, x minus y is equal to 4x minus 4y. 4x minus 4y is equal to 1. 8x minus 8y plus 8y is equal to 1. So if you solve these two equations, you will get the x comma y value. So from here, I can write 8x minus 8y is equal to 8x plus 8y is equal to 1. How you got 4x plus 4y is equal to 1? 8x plus 8y. If I am subtracting or adding, I am getting 3. How it is? 16x. No, my assumptions is wrong now. This is 1 by x minus y. This is 1 by x plus y. Sorry guys, my mistake. So x minus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 8. Because a is equal to 1 by 4. B is equal to 1 by 8. So 2x is equal to 12. From here, x is equal to 6. And if I am substituting x value in any one equation, y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 6 km per hour, y is equal to 2 km per hour. Is it clear, guys? Shall I move to some other question? If you are clear, I will move to some other question. See here, there is a question in 2006. It's not actually tough. Makes us little bit confused. Nothing is there. because instead of number they gave like this. Solve for x and y, where my equations are mx minus ny is equal to m square plus n square, and x plus y is equal to 2m. Please solve this equation. It's very simple. Multiply the second equation with m on both sides. Multiply the first equation with 1. So you will get the pair of linear equations are mx minus ny is equal to m square plus n square, and mx plus my is equal to 2m square. This will be minus, minus, minus. So this will be minus ny minus my. If I am taking minus y common, m plus n, m square minus 2m square, so n square minus m square. So minus y is equal to n square minus m square by n plus m. Y is equal to m square minus n square by m plus n. So the answer is y is equal to m minus n. I got y is equal to m minus 1. So if I got y is equal to m minus n, x plus y is equal to 2m, x plus m minus n is equal to 2m. If I am taking this equation this side, x is equal to 2m minus m plus n. So the answer is m plus n. So my x is m plus n. So this is my x comma y values. They gave this question as an essay question. Oh, you are clear with the answer what I am doing, what I have done.
Sir, can we solve this by using substitution method, sir?
Absolutely, you can solve. There is no objection for you. You can take x is equal to 2m minus y, or you can take y is equal to 2m minus x and substitute in the remaining equation. Absolutely correct. Even you can solve using cross multiplication also. But graphical method is not possible here because of without numbers, graphical method is not so easy. Hope you are clear. If you're okay, I will move to the next question. Guys, done? Shall I move to the next question? Some other question? We'll do one question. Yeah, 15th one also we done. I think the 15th question is somebody said Durlav. Am I right? 15th question only now. A and B each having certain number of oranges. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
That also we done. Okay, we'll move to 10th we done. Yeah, we will do one question related to business math, like profit and loss kind of thing. Yes. Yeah. Please start trying this question, guys. A man sold a chair and a table for 1520 rupees, thereby making a profit of 25% on the chair and 10% on the table by selling them together for the 1535. You would have made a profit of 10% on the chair and 25% on the table. Find the cost price of each. First, anyone can give the what is the variables here? What is your x and what is your y? Harita?
Sir, the cost price of chair is X and table as Y, sir.
Yes, correct. Cost of the chair is x rupees. Cost of the table is y rupees. If he is taking a profit of 25% on the chair and 10% on the table, what is his total cost, like a selling cost? 1520, correct? So I can write like this: x plus how much profit he got on the chair? 25x by 100. This is the total cost he sold, plus y plus 10y by 100 is equal to 1520. This is my first equation. Next one, if he is selling for 10% profit on chair, 25% on the table, his cost will be 1535. How my second equation will come? Second equation, he sold chair with a 10% profit. 10% profit means 10x by 100 y plus 25y by 100. Then he sold for 1535. Now, if you solve this two equation, you will get cost price of the chair and how much cost he brought. He's asking find the cost price. This is CP. Cost price. So this total is selling price in first case. This total is selling price in second case. Please solve this question. Anyone having any different kind of equations? Or anyone having any doubt how I derived these equations? Guys, is the equations are comfortable? Are you clear how I got these equations? Anyone having any doubts? Please, students. Harita, Jahnavi,
No doubt, sir.
X and Y. My first equation will come like this. After simplifying, my first equation will come like this. Writing with a blue color. X plus 25, x is 125x by 100 plus 110y by 100 is equal to 1520. So from here, this will be 125x plus 110y is equals 15,000, 152,000. The next one, same as here, 110x plus 125y is equal to 153, sorry, 1535 hundreds. That is 1,53,500. So this is my first equation. This is my second equation. So if you are able to solve these two equations, you will get the answer easily. You can make it into simplest form. Everything, this whole equation will be divisible by 5. You will get one simplest form. This whole equation also will be divisible by 5. You will get some other simplest form. The simplest form of the equations, if both the equations are divisible by 5, because all the numbers can be divisible by 5. My first equation will be 25x plus 22y is equal to then divisible with 5, 30,400. This is 22x plus 25y is equals 1535 into 4, 30,700. So now if you are able to solve this equation, then it will be easy for you to solve. Instead of multiplying and substitution, one more a little bit different way I am going to give you. If I am subtracting both the equations, I will get it 3x minus 3y is equals 300 minus 300. So from here, x minus y is equal to minus 100. X is equal to y plus 100. Substitute this x is equal to y plus 100 in any one equation, you will get the y value. So 25y plus 2500, sorry, yeah, 2500 plus 22y is equal to 30,400. So this will be 25 plus 27. 30,400 minus 2,500. So from here my y is equals 700. I will get. Check. Anyone are getting the same answer? So from the y is equal to 700, x I will get the 600. Please let me know, guys. Anyone getting the same kind of answer or not? If you got the same answer, please let me know, guys. I will move to some other question. Guys, done?
Yes, sir.
Last question for today, and I'm going to wind up the session with this. Complete the question number 13.
Sir, what was the answer for the last question, sir?
600 rupees and 700 rupees. I want to solve this question one more
Yes, sir,
time.
I got the same thing.
Yeah.
Sir, I got the answer, sir.
Anyone not getting the answer, please let me know, guys. I will use some other method to solve when the numbers are big. Yeah. Solve this question. Let us assume speed of the train is x. And speed of the car is y kilometer per hour. So what is your first equation? (120 by x plus 480 by y is equal to 8. Is everyone will agree with first equation?
Yes, sir.
200 by x plus 400 by y will be equal to 8 plus 20 by 60. This is my second equation. What are the simplest form of the equations? Eight
Sir, I got 15 by x plus 60 by y minus 1 is equal to 0.
15 by x plus
Sir, 15 by x plus 60 by y minus 1, which is equal to 0.
first equation. Second equation, 200 by x plus 400 by y is equal to 10 to 3, 25 by 3. So 25 16 times, 25 8 times, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 8 by x plus 16 by y is equal to 1 by 3. If I am dividing whole equation with 8, 1 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 1 by 24. So from
Sir,
here,
24 by x plus 48 by y minus 1 is equal to 0.
24 by x plus 48 by y is equal to 1 is the second equation, simplest form. So if you solve the first equation and second equation, you will get the answer. So if I am assuming 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b, then I will get some other standard linear equation for solving. 15a plus 60b minus 1 is equal to 0. 24a plus 48b minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve these two equations and first tell me what is a value and what is b value.
Sir, x is
Yeah, I got
equal to 60 and y is equal to 80, sir.
super. I got a is equal to 1 by 4, b is equal to 1 by 80. No, a is equal to 1 by
1 by 60, sir.
b is equal to 1 by 80. Automatically x is equal to 60 kilometer per hour, y is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. This is my final answer. Hope you understood. Shall I wind up the session, guys? This is the final answer. So we'll try to share the worksheet by tomorrow morning or today evening itself through Academy. You just go through any doubts. We will discuss in next class. Monday class, we are going to start with quadratic equations, and please go through what is the definition of quadratic expression and equation. What is the difference between a quadratic equation and quadratic expression? What is the meaning of solution of quadratic equation? All those things. Just go through if you are having time. If you said okay, I will wind up the session.
Yes, sir.
Bye everyone. We'll meet in the next class.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.